Dear Lord, I'm thanking you for today. I'm thanking you for life. I'm thanking you for knowledge and understanding. I'm thanking you for everything from the day I was born until now, even in the future. God, I am thanking you for everything. You know, it's good to be thankful, to be grateful, to have that peace of mind to know that whatever it is that you have, you're going to have, and you already have in the past, you were grateful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. So today guys, basically what I want to say is if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and also click that bell icon and click the all to get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, if you find my content valuable, go ahead and give me that thumbs up so my video can be seen by more people. Okay guys, so basically today I want to share with you another money making app guys, where you're able to withdraw a lot of rewards, a lot of different rewards. This app is surely gonna be a game changer for you guys. So if you're interested in the app, as always guys, to make a little money on the side, I will be leaving a link in the description down below. I will be going over everything to show you guys how much you'll be getting as a sign and bonus and all of that. So yes guys, so before I get on to the video, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, subscribing, commenting, and also giving me that support. I really appreciate it. If you guys could see my heart right now, so thank you guys. So guys, let's jump into the app and show you guys everything and what's available. So guys, the app is called Idle Empire. It's a pretty simple app. Once you click the link in the description down below and open your very own account, I'm gonna go to the referral first. So once you do that guys, basically what you will do, as you can see here, you'll earn a 50 users earn 500 coins when signing up through a referral link. So just by signing up with my referral link guys, you'll be earning 500 coins just like that. And also you guys are gonna be super pumped because the minimum threshold is 1,000 coins. So that's halfway right there for you guys. So yes, also guys, you will be getting your very own referral link. So once you open your account, you will have your very own referral link. Please guys, do share a referral link so you're able to earn from that. As you can see here, you'll be earning a 50 percent 50% um 20% rather guys, you'll be earning a 20% lifetime commission from all your referrals. So that's super cool. So yes guys, and also once you use your link and somebody sign up with your link, you also will be earning a 50 kinds for every new referrals. So just to keep that into consideration as well. So yes guys, so okay, I'm gonna go back. So the next thing that they do have guys is promotion. They have different types of promotion here. So as you can see, earn 100 points when you verify your email. So if you verify your email, you will be getting that 100 coins. As you can see here too, connect social identity. So once you connect some social identity, once you click this button here that says user panel, you'll got see that they have if you have um Google Plus, if you have Twitter, if you have Facebook, you can PayPal, you connect them. Once you I only connect my PayPal, so I'm gonna connect my Facebook, and also you'll be getting your coins just for doing that. So just to keep that into consideration guys. So yeah, uh so that's basically it. So yes guys, so the next thing that they do have is video. And guys, this is basically all I earn. So as you can see, they have Hideouttv. So if you're interested, I will leave the link to Hideouttv in the description down below. So it will be super easy for you. Just click the link and make your Hideouttv. If you have already an Hideouttv account, just link your Hideouttv here so you can able to transfer over your coins. So yeah. Also, they do have offers. So if you're interested in earning with offers, they do have that also. So yes guys, so they do have a free offer right here, just to keep that into consideration right here. So what they do have, which I personally use a lot, is lootable. So if you have a lootable account, you can link your lootable account right here, and once you link your lootable account, you will able to transfer your coins over here, so you're able to earn that way as well. So just to keep that into consideration, guys. So yeah, so what they have to is the offer walls. So as you can see, they have 13%. The offer walls, you see they have lootable are here also, and you can see they have the top offer walls, which is add game rewards and also add gems. So just to keep that into consideration if you're interested in those. If you're already using those, you can go ahead and just transfer over your coins, so you're able to take out your earnings, right? So they do have survey also, guys. So to start completing surveys, you have to complete a profile. So once you complete your profile, you will get able to start completing survey as well. So just to keep that into consideration, they have all the new, not really new, but all the popular brand survey apps. So you'll be earning pretty fast with surveys. So yes guys, so what I want to do now, guys, I want to go to the withdrawal section. They do have a support section. So if you're interested in getting some support, asking some question, they do have their email right there and their website also. So just to keep that into consideration, guys. So yeah, they do have a community. So if you are interested in becoming a member, so just go ahead and join and like them, and you're able to become a member just like that. So yes guys, so they do have a leaderboard. So as you can see, guys, different people are earning and cashing out. So yes guys, whenever I start earning a new app, I try to meet up on the go up on the leaderboard. So yeah, as you can see, they have the number one, the second place and the third place. So yes, so what I want to go to now, as you guys already anticipated, is the withdrawal section. So in the withdrawal section, guys, they do have characteristics. So if you want skins, game coins, entertainment, crypto, money, electronic, and utilities, so they have it all right there. As you can see, they have currencies. So there's a lot of currencies here. You have a Canadian, you have US, you have rupees, so you have pounds. So just go ahead and check those out. So yes guys, also they have region, different region, if you want to go ahead and check those out as well. So as I said before, guys, you can filter. Let's say you want money, right? You want money, you can go ahead and search, and they will show you all the ways how you can take out money. So as you can see here, you have a gift card right there. You have pay save card, a gift card. You have perfect money, and you also have pair. So guys, basically, as you guys already know, I do use pair to trade. So this is another way or you're able to take out pair um money. So yes guys, just to keep that into consideration. So if you're interested in that, this is just one way or you can take out pair money. So yes guys, so now let's say you want cryptocurrency. It's gonna unlock the money and put cryptocurrency. So you're gonna just click the search button, right? And scroll down. Can you see here they have for Litecoin, they have for Bitcoin. And but all these will be going to Coinbase. So if you have a Coinbase account, this is where the basically the earnings will go into your Coinbase account. So if you have a Coinbase account, you can transfer over the earnings there, and then you're able to transfer it out of Coinbase if you like, or if you want, you can keep it there and just start earning just like that on Coinbase app, which I have a Coinbase app, as you guys already know. So yeah, I will leave in all these link in the description down below for you guys, all the links that I have. So if you don't have, you can go ahead and click the link and make your account. So yeah. So let's say you're interested now in electronics. So we're gonna click crypto electronics. So we're gonna click the search button. So as you guys can see right here, they offer a Amazon card, so you can go ahead and get some uh as I said before, guys, they offer Amazon card, so you can go ahead and get your Amazon gift card right there, and you can get your eBay gift card. You can get your Razor gold pins. So yes, guys, I don't not sure what that is. I don't know. Maybe someone watching this video know. Comment down below if you know what that is. GameStop. So yeah, everyone should know what GameStop is. So just to keep that right. Yeah, so as you can see, they have the coins there that you're able to um maximize. They have the card the so basically, guys, they have the coins there that you're able to use to take out your earnings. So it's easy for you to just match your earnings. So basically, guys, I'm gonna go into my account, and as you guys can see in my account, I have 1026 coins. So guys, it's super easy to go ahead and get started with Idle Empire. It's super easy. So it was super easy for me to get those coins. So yes, guys, um as I said before, guys, all the links in the description down below. This was basically the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you're interested in earning with Idle Empire, let me know in the comment section how that goes. And if you're already earning with it and you just decided to see an update, let me know in the description, in the comment section down below. So yes, guys, before I go, guys, I just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.